y'all, and welcome back to another video. I know I look absolutely crazy. I've been making videos, it's just my hard drive is just not doing what I needed to do. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I freshen up my twist, which is why I look like this. I do have mini twists. I've had them in for about a month now, and I probably need to take them down, which I'm probably going to take it down this week. I be getting scared my hair is actually going to lock up. Do I need to take it down? I'm doing this video before I have to go to class. So I'm going to show y'all the products that I love to use. First thing I use is water. I do like to put hot water in, well, warm water in here instead of cold water, but sometimes I just use cold water just because I don't feel like filling it up. And it's just water from the sink, nothing special. This is the little misty spray bottle. Love that. Next thing I use is this Lisa Ackberry hydration. Love Lisa Ackberry for my hair. It tends to be dry sometimes, so I usually use this hydration. Then next I use this, it's my holy grail, Shea Yogurt by Allocate Naturals. It looks just like shea butter, is that what it is? And lastly, I use oil mixture, and this is just the Camille Rose Ultimate Growth Serum that I've used in like all my videos. I still have this, y'all. Like, it's still not about to be gone, so I would highly suggest it. I think it was kind of expensive, I really don't remember. So I start off with some water. I just spray it all over my hair, and usually y'all see how my hair is sticking up. This helps it to stop sticking up like it was. Sometimes I just spray with water, but I honestly don't like doing it because I feel like water tends to make my hair dry for some reason. You see how it's already looking better? And the reason it was like sticking up is because I had my hair like up yesterday, and I didn't do any maintenance to it last night. Like, it's been a week for me, y'all. It's been a week. Okay, I like to make sure I get my edges. So the first thing I like to do, I don't know what method this is, but I like to start off with moisture, obviously, because I use the water first. This just works best for my hair. And then I go in with this hydration. Oh yeah, you don't have to use this or everything I'm using, just use something like it. Like this water, obviously you still use water, but you can use, so just make sure it's a lot of water in it, but it's a cream. And then you don't have to use this, but just use some type of thick moisturizer, I guess. Obviously you can use whatever oil mixture you have. So I'm about to go ahead and go in with this, and it just looks like this. And I put it on my hand. I don't know what it is about mini twists, but it really makes you feel like your hair is perm. Like, I love it though. That's why I love doing mini twists.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
So after I do that, you can see my hair, it has movement. It's starting to look a little bit more moisturized. You can see the curls a little bit better. I next go in with this. I love the smell of this stuff too. It just smells like candy. This stuff, I feel like it holds it together. It kind of just locks in the moisture. I love, y'all, when I tell y'all I love this stuff, when I found this, I was so in love. But just make sure you get your edges. You can just kind of see how it's already looking so much better. Then I just go in with this, and I try to focus on my temples a lot because I tend to lose hair right there for some reason. But it's been growing back really well when I've been doing this. So I try to massage it. I just want y'all to pay attention to how I am not doing a ton of I just want y'all to pay attention to how I'm not doing a ton of product. I'm just doing just enough. And this is pretty much how it looks when I'm done. This video is only taking one clip. This does not take that long. It takes like 5 minutes. Okay, there we go. If y'all want a video on how to do my mini twists, just let me know. On the parts that I feel like I need them to grow more, like on my temples right here, I would use this and this. I like to put moisture in my hair before I put oil in my hair. Basically, oil is a sealer. So if your hair is dry at the end of the day, you're basically sealing dry hair. And that's not gonna help anything. That's pretty much all for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope it's recording, because if it's not, I'm gonna be upset. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.